This is the best day ever! Hey, Lena, look what I have. What is it? My new doll.
Lily, that doll is amazing. Where did you get it?
There is a brand new toy shop inside Victorious Mall, and they have a big sale right now. I went there yesterday and bought this one. She is my favorite. Her name is Princess Rose. I need that doll.
The very next morning, Lena could think of nothing but that doll.
Daddy, can I ask you something very, very important?
Of course, sweetie.
Daddy, please take me to Victorious Mall. Lily said there is a brand new toy shop and there is a sale and I need a doll.
A toy shop, you say?
All right, after breakfast, we go to the mall.
Really? The mall? Yay! I can't wait!
Lena could already picture it, her very own perfect doll.
Come on, Daddy! Faster, faster, the doll might be gone!
It will still be there, Lena, don't worry.
Daddy, it is so beautiful in here.
Yes, my child. It is the biggest mall in New York.
Wow, Daddy, it's amazing! Daddy, that guard looks so weird and ugly. Why does he look like that?
I didn't like what you just did in front of the guard.
Where is the toy shop, Daddy? We are getting late. We have to look after for my doll.
Okay, come with me.
Okay, Daddy. Daddy, look, ice cream. And look, shoes.
Wow, Lena, that looks great.
Lena, I need to use the restroom for a moment. Stay right here near the ice cream shop. Do not go anywhere else. I will be back in just 2 minutes. Do you understand, Lena?
Yes, Daddy, I will stay right here, I promise.
Good girl. I'll be right back.
Okay, Daddy, bye. La la la. Just 2 minutes, la la la. What is that?
A dancing bear?
Just one quick look. Daddy will be right back.
And just like that, Lena forgot everything her father had told her. Hi there. I'm not scary.
You're a monster?
The friendly kind.
Wow.
They kept talking for a long time, and it had been about half an hour.
Oh no, where am I now? It's really noisy here. What should I do? Dad told me not to move from the ice cream shop, but I don't even remember the ice cream shop. Where should I go now? I'm feeling scared. I think I'm lost. Dad, please help me. I think I must keep moving forward, and I am sure that I will find that ice cream shop.
This place is so crowded. I think I should ask someone for help.
Lena wandered around for 15 minutes, but she couldn't find the shop.
I've come back to the same place where I started. I think I should approach the guard at the mall exit.
But I mocked him earlier. Will he help me or not? Hello, Uncle. My father told me to wait near the ice cream shop and said he would come back in 2 minutes.
But I got distracted watching a dancing bear show, and now I don't remember where the ice cream shop is. I think I'm lost. Please help me.
Oh no, my child. This is very bad. I will help you find your father. Come with me. Do not be afraid. I am here to help.
I was so scared.
It's okay. You're safe now.
Thank you.
I said something mean about you earlier, and you are being so kind to me. I am so sorry.
It is all right, little one. What matters is that you are safe and that you know kindness now. Now, let us find your father.
Lost Child Assistance Ice Cream Area. Looking for a man named Alex. Please alert PA.
Now, which ice cream shop was it? Do you remember what it looked like?
It had a big pink cone sign and yellow walls.
I think I know where that is. Let's go.
Yay, thank you.
Is that the one? The pink cone sign, yellow walls?
Yes, that is it. That is it. Thank you so much. But my father isn't here. Did he leave me and go back home?
Don't worry, little girl. He must be looking for you.
Lena, where did you go? I've been looking for you for 2 hours. I even wanted to buy you a doll.
Oh, there is my daddy. There is my daddy. Daddy, I missed you.
I missed you too, Pumpkin.
Okay, she found her dad. Now I must leave. I am happy that she is happy. She is a kind-hearted child.
But where did the guard go? I need to thank him for his kindness.
So the guard helped you out? That was kind of him.
Yes, he was really nice, Daddy.
I'm glad. We should thank him.
Okay, can we get ice cream now?
Yes, we'll eat ice cream. Then we'll thank the guard for helping my daughter. And yes, I forgot. We are here to find you a new doll. We will also buy a new doll for you. And then we'll go home.
Okay, Daddy.
Let's go.
Yay!
The father and daughter kept talking for a long time and ate ice cream together, but Lena eagerly wanted to buy a doll. Now the time had finally come for Lena to choose the doll she wanted.
Alex bought her a new doll. The doll was very cute, and Lena was very happy.
Daddy, look! That doll is so cute.
It is cute. Let's get it for you.
Really? Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, sweetie.
She's so cute. I love her.
I'm glad, Lena. They thanked the guard, and Lena apologized to him.
The guard was a kind and compassionate man. He had not taken her words badly at all, and he was only happy because the little girl had realized her mistake.
That's all right, dear.
All the 4 dolls at the back are my favorite now. Thank you, Daddy.
After today, there's an important lesson for you. A piece of advice you should follow.
What is it, Daddy?
I'll tell you. Treat every person with kindness. Do not judge them by their appearance or by what they do. Just respect them, whether they are older than you or younger than you. And that is the moral of today's story.
And if you liked the video,
Do subscribe.
and hit the like button.